What is the command we are going to use it? What is the command we are going to use? NetDOM query FSMO. Second one is using GUI mode. So by default, using GUI mode, each role has a separate place to check. Number one, first one is schema master. We talked about yesterday, default we can't see anywhere. But to check, what we need to do, we discussed yesterday how to check the schema master. In GUI mode, default we cannot see that, we need to run the schema register DLL, run this command, right? By default schema master you wanted to check, you won't be able to see, but we have to process this follow. Correct? We'll do this today, how you can check this schema master by using GUI mode. Second one is domain naming master. We can go to the design active directory domain and trust, where we can see that domain naming master role. Third, PDC. Fourth, RID. And fifth one is infrastructure master. All these domain wide role can see in active directory users and computers for GUI mode. Using GUI mode, each role has a separate place to check. First, schema master, it won't be able to see by default. We need to do this process. Second, the domain naming master, forest wide role. The tool called active directory domain and trust, you need to go there. There you would be able to domain naming master role. And other three domain wide role. Okay. Those we can see in a single place. PDC arrayed infrastructure, we can see this active directory users and computer, where you can check dsa.msc. We will verify by using command prompt and by using GUI. Will check it practically. We'll process it. And second, we'll talk about how to transfer the role using command prompt and GUI. Okay, we'll verify that. We can also see that seize the role using command prompt, but GUI only for transfer, only for when both the DCs are up and running. This seize the role cannot be used when both the DCs are up and running. Seize the role only when we run that unexpected shutdown. Okay, we will be practically going to complete. Now we have a multiple forest, right? We have the multiple forest, multiple domain, correct?
Yes.
Now tell me, if I go and check it other domain, what is our entire infrastructure now? Okay. we are using for one is chatty.com, second one is imran.com, correct? Inside chatty.com, how many domains are there?
Tree child.
We have a child domain, we have a tree domain, right? He is a root domain, correct? Root domain, and it is child domain. Tree domain, correct? And if I go and check child domain, one of the domain controller, if I type netdom query FSM, what would be the output? What is the result? You can see this. Who will be the, which DC is schema master, domain naming master, PDC, RID, and infrastructure master? Anyone answer this question?
We can see, I think, PDC and RIDC are infrastructure master, right?
Sorry.
We can see the result PDC, RID, and infrastructure master role, right?
Only that role only.
Yes.
How about the domain name master, schema master?
It will be, I think, a parent domain. Na?
What is the result you can see there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Chatty.com have the all the roles.
I'm asking for child domain.
Child domain.
One of the DC. Now type the netdom query FSM. What would be the output? Think about chaitanya.com is, so chatty.com has 3 DC. Okay. One is DC1, ADC, and we have another side DC. Okay. Example, 3 DCs are there, right? Now, if you go and type DC1, netdom query FSMO, what would be the output? And same things, child domain, we have that is in CDC domain controller, right? If I type here netdom query FSMO, what would be the output?
Output is same.
Same, huh?
Yeah, same.
And if I type the tree domain controller DC, again netdom query FSMO, what would be the output? What do you mean by same?
In DC1 and ADC, the output is same.
DC1,
DC1 and ADC. And go for the child domain. It's showing that SMO, PDC, RID, and all the roles exist on child domain.
okay, let's see this. What would be the result? Who can share the screen? Practically, let's see this, how it is going to be. See that.
Actually, today I'm outside somewhere, so I have connected only for the mobile through. So I'm
Who can
unable
share the
to.
screen? That's fine. Who will help to share the screen?
I can, but I don't know how effective it's going to be, but I can try.
Yeah, go ahead. How many domains you have?
I have
Good. Okay, quickly
one.
connect it. Quickly connect it.
Which one? The main domain?
First read the root DC, connect it, and later
Okay.
we'll talk about the child domain and other DCs we'll talk.
Okay. Uh, the mouse is kind of slow this morning, but
That's fine. That's fine. Go ahead.
hold on.
Log in with administrator. I mean domain administrator.
Okay.
Administrator spelling mistake, I think. Bro. Administrator.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good. And same
So
login
I
to the
got
other
I got a
DC.
question. So the reason my laptop is slow is because whenever I connect to Zoom, it turns out to be the mouse turns out to be very slow. Do you know
How
how
is
we
it?
can fix that?
Okay, no worries. Let's see this. Go to the command prompt.
Okay. On the domain?
Yeah.
Yeah, my mouse is slow. Come on, man. Okay.
Type net dom query FSMO. Net dom DOM QUERY
Net down like that?
query 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 FSMO. Hit enter. Net DOM, not dump. DOM.
Query, there is a double R.
netdoc query query, only single R.
Single.
Go for it. That way.
Okay. Can you see that information?
Yes.
Who has that all the FSMO role?
Yeah, you master domain.
DC1 dot, right?
DC1,
DC1.
DC1.
Okay. First, schema master GUI mode, as I said, you will not be able to see anywhere. If you type the MMC, type MMC here. Type MMC. See. Hit enter. Click on file. Add remove snapping.
Add remove snapping.
Correct. Do you see here activator schema? Just a little expanded snap in. Yeah, the first line before vendor. Little up, take the cursor and just expand it. Not that.
Okay.
Snap in line. Left. Yeah, that's line. Line has to be expanded. Right, correct. Do you see here activator schema?
Just.
Can you see here activator schema? No, right?
No.
Right. How do I see? By default, as I said, you won't be able to see anywhere. To see that schema master, what we need to do, we have to register the DLL. Go to the command prompt again.
Close this.
Don't close it. Okay, close it. Go back to the command prompt. Yeah, now here to register the DLL, type sshmmgmt ssh schema.
Okay. SCH.
Yeah, mmgmt dot. Okay, sorry. Wait. Remove that everything. Reg srv 32.
Right.
srv 32 space ssh mmgmt ssh.
Is it double S?
No, ssh mmgmt dot dll.
DLL.
Yeah, hit enter. Reg svr, not srv, svr reg svr 32 ssh. Right, see this registered is successfully done. Click OK. Now type again mmc. Now type mmc. Now go back to the add remove snap-in again, file. Do you see the activate schema, second one option?
Yes.
Click on that activate schema, second, click on add. Click OK. So what is the activator schema definition? Expand it here. It has this database, all the object classes and attributes. Correct? You see all the classes and scroll down. You would be able to see that all the object attributes. Scroll down. attributes.
Attribute schema.
No. Just scroll down. There would be, these are all attributes, right? These are all attributes for the
Right.
storing into the schema. This is a base, this is a database. And whatever you are prompting, whatever you can see the properties, everything is coming from this place only. Can you understood everyone for how to check the schema master?
Yes.
Right. Now, what is the second role? Domain naming master. And you can same go to the domain.msc, Active Directory, domain and trust. Active Directory, domain and trust. You can cancel this. Type domain.msc. Which is Active Directory, domain and trust. Click on that first one. Yeah, it's already open now.
No.
You just type domain.msc in command prompt. Hit enter. Go back little up. Take your cursor little up.
Take cursor right.
Cursor little up. Yeah, right. You see, right click on the Active Directory, domain and trust. Little up. Active Directory, domain and trust. No, not there. Below. Right click there. Click on Operations Master. You see Domain Naming Master. Domain Naming Operation Master. Who is that? DC1.cred.com. So these are all you can see in a GUI mode. Correct? Command prompt, you can see NetDom query FSMO. You would be able to see that all the roles which DC has it. Correct?
Okay.
Now, what about other role? The PDC RAD infrastructure. Type the DSA.msc, which is Active Directory Users and Computer. Type DSA.msc. Right click on the Active Directory Users and Computer. No. Right click on domain. Right click on domain. Click on Operations Master. You see RID DC1.cred.com, PDC, and infrastructure. Everyone understood how to check GUI mode, all the FSMO roles?
Yes.
Everyone understood how to check in command prompt?
Yes.
Okay, now question is to everyone. If I go and if you go and log into the other domain controller, can you please connect other domain controller quickly? And if he type the netdom query FSMO, what would be the output?
It will be only showing the DC01 like primary domain path, right?
No.
So
Think and answer. Everyone, please think and answer.
So
Take
you want
that.
me to connect?
Not
You want me to connect to a different agency?
no, different domain controller.
On different domain,
Child or tree domain, anyone can log in.
Okay.
Take the public IP address.
on file domain and on the tree domain. Two roles, domain-wide role showing on DC01.
DC01 is already, we can see that. No, not private IP address. Take the public IP address.
Actually, two roles, schema master and domain naming master, are showing on DC01.
Correct.
And other three roles are showing on this particular domain.
Correct. That is the definition of that domain wide role and forest wide role. This question should ask, okay, how do we verify and what do you say that is in what kind of role you would be? You can make the display name, change the display name to child domain DC.
That was not a child, but let me connect to the child domain.
No,
57.
NFDC. What was that DC name?
It was NFDC.
IP address is different. You can put the child IP address.
Is that a new domain DC?
Yes, it's a new domain.
But you said new. I
No,
think
no,
it's a
not
different
new.
forest. I think it's a different forest, I believe.
He can select the different sites IP. Choose
Different
the
domain,
child
different domain, not site, different domain. Go back to the cloud, GCP.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a child domain.
Second one is child domain. Second one, CH.
No. That is a CHDC. Is a child domain. Okay.
Yeah.
Take that
yes.
IP address. Okay. 34.174. Last machine. Last one. Don't. Last machine properties. Properties. Paste it and change it child domain DC. Child domain DC. And you need to log in with the child domain administrator and password. Hope you remember that username password.
Hopefully, let's see. You said I need to log in with what?
Yes, your child domain. What is the child domain? What is the domain name?
For my main DC?
No. Child domain name.
I can't remember.
Oh, okay. I'll help you. Go to the root DC. Go to the root DC. Cancel it. Right click on domain. Wait, don't cancel. Don't cancel. Okay, I think it's da.set.com. It should be DA. You see that? Child domain. da.set.com. Log in there. And you know the username and password now?
Yeah, I can. I remember a username for that.
Slash. No. Okay, fine. You can give the full. Administrator and password. Logged in. Go to the command prompt. Type head dump query FSMO. Not MMC, net DOM query FSMO. Can you see the result, everyone? Is that everyone understood?
Yes. Yes, DC01.
Okay, you still have this is 01 as the master schema.
Correct, because that is entire forest, one domain name master and one schema master, and each domain you have a individual role called PDC RID infrastructure.
Yes.
Now tell me the question is answer from your end. If child domain PDC is down, does any impact for your root domain?
No.
No.
If the root domain PDC is down, is there any impact for other